Removing an M.2 backplane assembly and M.2 drive. If applicable, remove the security bezel. Remove the top cover. To remove the M.2 backplane assembly, loosen the captive screw that secures the M.2 backplane assembly. Pinch the pull tape and the blue touch point, slide the M.2 backplane assembly backward to disengage it from the chassis, and then lift the assembly up to remove it. Disconnect the cables from the M.2 backplane. If necessary, proceed to remove the M.2 drives. Pinch and hold the retainer clip. Lift up the rear end of the M.2 drive. Pull the rear side of the M.2 drive away from the backplane. If necessary, repeat this procedure with the other M.2 drive that needs to be removed. If necessary, proceed to remove the M.2 backplane. Loosen the captive screw on the M.2 backplane. Loosen the screw that secures the M.2 backplane. Lift up the connector side of the M.2 backplane at an angle. Remove the M.2 backplane.